Hey everyone, welcome back to Draw Slowly. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and drop a comment below. I want to see you on this page. So today I want to show you something simple but satisfying, filling up a page one follower at a time. Every single circle you see on this page represents one person who decided to follow this journey. And I draw them by hand, one by one. This right here, this tiny circle in the corner, is the very last spot on this page, the final follower before I turn the page, and I want you to watch me draw it. There it is, the last one. Look at this page, completely full. Every circle, every dot, that's a real person. That's someone who chose to be here. This is what growth looks like when you make it physical, when you actually feel it. Now, here's my favorite part. I close this page and I open a new one, a blank page, clean, empty, waiting. This new page needs you. If you're not subscribed yet, do it right now. Seriously, pause this video, hit subscribe, and come back, because your circle belongs on this page. Drop a comment below, just say, "I'm in," and I will personally know you were here for this moment. And if this gave you even a tiny bit of motivation, smash that like button. It takes 1 second and it means everything. Every like, every comment, every subscribe, that's another circle, another person joining this. So don't just watch, be part of it. See you in the next one, and trust me, you don't want to miss what this new page becomes.